The jeans I got, my parents didn't feel. Okay, look at my dimples. Oh my goodness. Look at that. My parents didn't fail, I tell you. My parents. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm your girl Mishi as always, and Blackie's here to say hi. Say hi, Blackie. Blackie's here to say hi. Hi guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Say that, Blackie. Okay, that's from Blackie. Anyway, in today's video I want us to install my wig. I have these wig lines that have served me quite a few weeks, and I'm like, I don't want to undo it fast, so I want it to push me this week, and then we can just now undo it and also put them back, because I've decided I'm taking a break from plaiting my hair. I'm just going to do with wig lines, so I'm going to do with wigs a lot. Let's install my wig. This is a pretty girl. Let's call her, give me a fancy name. Kindly comment down below any fancy name we can give this cute girl. So this is what I'm going to do with. It's a T-part wig. Here it's here, and the front part has the, I think I'll show you guys, it has the closure. So I'm also going to show you guys a few products that I am currently using, a few products that have quite collected when I purchased this wig. So I'll start with the oils. Currently I'm using this one that I got from China Square. Between this one and let me show you another one. So between this Ludois and this is also under the branch of Ludois. So between these two, I'll always go for this one. This one I get to see like it has quite more shine. This is how the bottle looks like. I think it's almost, actually it's over. I need to dispose this one, so I'll go for this one over this one. This one I'm waiting for it to finish. Let me open for you so that you see what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this. Yeah, so between the two, I'll go for the other one. I like quite the job it does, and also the smell. It's quite cool. I got also this olive oil mousse for setting my wig. Anytime I want to do like these curls, the ones we will see, I always use the mousse to do that job. And then I have this wax stick that I got yesterday. So this wax stick is currently a new one. We are trying it today together. I have these two cute glue and spray glue, Tutita spray glue. This one I was influenced from TikTok. TikTok has a lot of influence, I swear. So I also want to try this one. I've been using this one for quite a while. The go to be glue. I chose the spray instead of the other one, the gel one. So I liked this one, so I opted to get this one. So I have these two, which does the same job, but I want to compare now the services. The reviews were it will not lift, like the wig will not lift for quite some, like almost a week, for quite some few days. And for this one, they lift quite, it's a lift within 2-3 days. You will see the lift. As always, without Ghost Bonds glue, what else why are you owning a wig? Yeah, so those are the products I've currently stock. This is how the Ghost Bond looks like. Yeah, those are the few products I've currently restocked for my wigs. Currently I have 3 wigs. I think I've been sharing this, and this wig, I think you saw the time I went to be installed, so I also want to do it for myself and see how it will turn out. I'll be reusing this one because yesterday I forgot. The beauty about this one is it's a shade of brown, not black, so that's what I'm going to work with. Yep. And my mirror, as always, I need a mirror to just see what I'm doing. So this is the mirror I also got this one from China Square. This is what I'm going to use at the moment. So if I look down, just try to understand. I'm looking at the mirror and I need to get a comb.
Funkilla, funkilla, funkilla.
I let it fall. Stability, my friend. Stability. I need to clean the oil on my forehead because it will give me a very dirty job. So let's clean that one up first and then I show you. So I'm going to let this one dry until it's clear. As I wait, I'll be putting on the wig cap to see. That's done. I want now to do the wig itself. Let's remove it. So this is how the wig looks like. Let me remove it from this head. My dog fears this head. Like anytime he sees, he run away. He's like, who's this half human being who does not have a head? This is how it looks like. And right now he's just in panic mode. Anyway, so this is how my wig look like, and this is what I meant. It's a T-part closure. It has this, like I can only style it parting in the middle, and then it has this, it's quite kadogo, but it has this tiny closure. I think next time when I get money, I want to go and get a full closure wig so that we can install it together. Let me tuck in these extensions. They are always there. In these ones, you know, the ones that you adjust, I want to tuck them in because anytime I put on a wig, I always find it's hanging out and it's just showing a very not giving. This is how the wig looks like. I want to put it with the middle part. Like that. I think it's in the middle. What's this one? I think it's in the middle. I just can't wait to see how I look. I want to finish you guys. I want to finish you guys. Let me glue it down and then we style it together. You get me? So I'm going to let this one sit in. I know one error I've done. This one is not really aligning to here. I think it's quite aside, but still okay. Yeah, so I'm going to let this one sit in and then we do the reveal. I'll be going to my TikTok to do makeup. I think I'll get ready with my makeup so that I can just look cute, and then I can shoot another video for a haul of these cute tops. I'm wearing one of them, so I'll do a haul of that in another video. So I'm just like doing almost three, I'm doing 3 videos at the same time. So yeah, so let me go to TikTok to do the makeup video. Follow me on TikTok. I'll put here my handle, and you can also follow me on my IG. I'll also put it down here. And yeah, to get to see me and more of my content. If you follow me on IG, I post a lot on IG than in any other app. I think I'm quite active on IG than any other app. So if you follow me on IG, you'll get to see me at least on a daily basis, or I might share something on a daily basis. Yeah, so let me go do this one on makeup on TikTok, and then we can do the reveal. So see you guys. I'm all done. This is how my makeup looks like. I think I need to fix this lash. It's misbehaving. Perfecto. Yeah, so this is the makeup I did. You can check it out on my TikTok. So I want us to finish with the wig. My ears are painful. Let's see how are things. So everything is quite laid down. It's not lit. I need to fix here. I didn't put enough glue. See, even this other side, but this is okay, quite okay. So that's how things are. I want to use this one now to finish the zhuzh, because let's remove first this mini so that I know where I have not worked on. So the curls are curling. It's giving me a coolly nice look. I like the curls, by the way. This other side, how are things going? Oh, and yeah, it's not quite bad. Let me put this one quite behind so that I can deal with this part and put the baby hair. Don't know if they will hold each other there first of all, so that I work with this part. Feel pretty. I feel truly pretty. So I just want to do tiny baby hairs to keep the zhuzh. Where's my pink comb? I'll be using this one to just, I hope you guys will see. I want tiny baby hairs like that. Or should I do big ones? How will it look like? Let me do that off camera so that I figure it out fast, and then I show you what I really want. I'm going to use this comb to just comb the curls out. Oh, I wish I would have used a fat comb, but all is well. It's not bad. The reason I like this hair, it's too light. It's not like, you know, the way right now it's very hot. You don't want something that is giving you those nini joto. Yeah. So I don't think I need to use the wax because already my hair is lied down. Yep. Aki simini mrembo. Simini mrembo. Hey, oh my goodness, I'm so pretty. Simini mrembo. Aish. I am pretty. I am so pretty. I'm very pretty. Look at that. My parents didn't fail, I tell you. My parents, the genes I got, my parents didn't fail. Okay, look at my dimples. Oh my goodness. Do you feel we should like tie it up or something? I think I'll just leave it for now like this, and then when I'm going to work tomorrow I'll have to hold it a bit back because so let me just open it up and see the end results of the baby hair. Woo! Wow. This is what I was telling you. Like, if I don't feature this one, I don't know why this one is coming out. and I had already placed it somewhere. Let me tuck it in on the wig cap because uko nyuma hakuna kitu. Yeah, so that's how it's looking. Let me fix here in front so that my makeup does not look funny. Let's see kama tunaweza komboa hapa. Need a mirror. Ooh. The hair is quite locked. I don't know why this one is still up. Should be down. Sort that one out. Hey, baby girlies. Baby girling. Hey, I'm telling you guys. I'm looking superb. I won't lie to you. Mini mrembo. I'm just pretty and I know that. And I appreciate God's gifts. You can see here it has quite seated in. So I think I'm done. I think this video will end here. So kindly comment what you feel about all this. And yeah, I think that will be the end. Shout out to J Myrish Wigs. You can check them on TikTok. I got this wig from them, and the first install, they are the one who did for me, and I like the texture. It's high fiber, semi-human hair. Yeah, so when I get the chance to get human hair, we must do it here. We must represent the nation. Anyway, so I think I'll end this video here, and kindly comment what you feel about it. Kindly comment about the makeup. For the whole process, you can go and check it on my TikTok. And yeah, I think I'll end it here. So ta-da, bye bye guys. So I think in the other video I can do how to style it up. So kindly comment if you want me to do a video on how to style up this hair. Like, I feel this is quite basic. We can do quite a lot with it. So kindly comment down below. I will do it for you. See you.